We have some factory footage from Adafruit. Take it away, factory.
Nice. Huh. Oh, that's so weird. It all of a sudden looks really good.
Okay, and it would not be a New York City factory footage without a time lapse outside the window where the picking places go. This one's epic. Jeez. This might be the beginning or the end of a science fiction movie.
There's also like some construction going on, and I know we're trying to take a long time lapse.
Yeah, both Disney and Google have bought some real estate around here.
They're going to demolish it and reconstruct it.
Yeah. That's cool.